Yes, we have a small sort of lock for, I don't know what it's for, perhaps a padlock. I'm not sure of the brand. It's a 5-pin. It's the key for it. It says star for arrow locks, so maybe it's an arrow core. Oh, arrow lock. So that's the bitting. Pretty decent, I think. 5-pin, and I did pick it. That's why it's open, in the open position. But I thought we'd try it one more time. Can get it clamped up nicely, and maybe use a pry bar for this one. Yep. So let's try it one more time. I will use this pick as a custom one. So let's see what we have. Oh, it's a very loose core, and I had to manually counter rotate the core to set number 5. Okay, we're on number 2 and number 1. Pretty awkward angle to work, but I think that's set number 1. Oh, look at that. That's the fault set. That's from number 1, and we are on number 2. We got counter rotation. Ease up on the tension. Perhaps you can set it. Okay. So there we go. That's number 2 and number 1 again. And we got it open. I haven't seen these ones before. Okay. See if we can get this one open, maybe. Yep. Clip comes off. Once again, that's the key for it. Okay. Let's see what we can do. In number 5 we have a pin that is stuck. It won't come out. I can see that the chamber is serrated or threaded and the pin is stuck. So let's move on to number 4. Whoa! Check that one out. Whoa! I like that very much. Okay. Number 3. Same thing. We have pins that are stuck. In number 2 we have a T-pin. And in number 1 we have a spool. With a wafer. I'll line this one up. With a tiny spring. Oh! Blast! There they all came out running. I think the problem here is the springs. I'll just line them up and we can take a closer look. I'm not sure which one was which. Maybe like that. And in the bottom we have the following. Okay, and the core looks like core has been threaded. Sorry about the lighting. That's better. See the threading in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right. Okay, so this is what we have. I seem to have lost the spring. Maybe it's stuck in there somewhere. Okay, so this is what we got. Inside of it we have a spool with a wafer. Or is that a T-pin? Well, spool T-pin thing. And a T-pin and a T-pin. And in number 4 we have this Christmas tree-like, beautiful, very sharp pin And in number 5 we have a spool with a wafer. On the bottom we have serrated pretty unusual. But these springs, I don't know about these springs though. They are too weak and they are bent, so they got caught up in the threading in the chambers. So let's see. Yeah, we have threading in all the chambers and the lock body as well, so that's the problem with the springs. I'll see what I can do and put this one back together, maybe repin it. Fun lock. And Texas Gem, thank you very much for letting me try this one out, and I will move on to the next one and see you soon.